It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright guys, so today's unit is from Nadula Hair. I have their body wave wig. So I do have her in 24 inches. The density is 150 and the lace on this unit is transparent. Y'all, this unit came from my life. It did. It was soft, okay? I love the bounce in the body that it had straight out the package. This is the overall construction of the unit. This is a lace front wig, by the way. It does include 3 combs in total and drawstrings at the nape. This is what the unit is giving us when we first put it on our heads. I noticed straight off the bat they gave us a guideline for baby hairs, and that's always an A+ in my book. I also noticed once I pulled the hairline back, you can see they pre-plucked it as well. Another A+. Alright guys, so quickly I'm going to show you guys how to hide the knots without bleaching or tinting it. I'm just going to go ahead and take my foundation. I'm using Maybelline Superstay in the shade 355. I'm just going to take one small pump and then blend that out on the back of a beauty blender. And you want to blend it out because if you don't, it's going to seep through the lace and, you know, get on the hair strands. So blend it out. I just use the top of my foundation. And, you know, we want to pounce that all over the lace.
Not a game, it's a rich thing.
After that, I want to go in just to secure it with some 𝚬𝚑 glue, and then I'm going to take my blow dryer on a cool heating setting to dry it. This step here is optional. I'm taking some heat protecting and some foam wrap lotion to push the hairline back, all the extra strands of hair that you see, just so I can prep for cutting off my lace. Like I said, it's optional. You don't have to do it, but I feel like this step just makes everything easy when securing down your lace. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take some scissors to cut off the excess lace. I'm taking some extra makeup powder. This is in the shade Warm from the e.l.f. palette. Opposite Attracts, just to cover up the hairline that still doesn't seem blended. Next, I'm going in with the Got To Be Glued Blasting Free Spray, and I'm going to go ahead and secure down my entire unit using this. I do advise you to start in sections. Do not try to secure down the hair at once. It's not going to work.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Please be mindful that if your heating setting is not on a cool heating setting, the hairspray, your hairline might turn white and ashy. So do be mindful of that. Now I'm going to take my silk wrap scarf and tie it around as tight as I can and add hot heat. This really helps your lace melt into your skin. Now I am going in with 𝚑𝚑. This is my wax stick, y'all. I love this stick, okay? I'm going to go ahead and place it on the areas I am going to be hot combing. And I will have all details to the products I use as well as details on the hair in the description section. So please don't forget to check there. Next, I'm adding some concealer to the part. Y'all know how I love my parts nice, crisp, and clean. And when I use concealer, it just makes the part pop. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pull out the baby hairs that was already provided, and I'm just going to keep going, extending it. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut them and, you know, go ahead and swoop them into place.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright guys, so off camera I added more hot heat. I did put another silk wrap on, and y'all see those baby hairs. Y'all can't tell me that that's not my scalp, period. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add heat protectant all over the hair and just brush out the body waves. Next, I'm just going to go in and just add a few layers. The type of curls that I wanted, I noticed that if I don't frame the hair towards my face or to my face shape, perhaps, it doesn't give me the look that I'm going for. So I really don't know how to explain cutting layers into hair because that's not something that, you know, I'm really good at. But this is just what I'm doing. Next, I'm going in with my iron, I think it's pronounced iron curling iron. I did get this from Sally's, and I love that this hair can hold a curl. This can hold a dang curl, y'all. It can. But for this style, I did brush them out towards the end. You guys will see that. But I love units that can hold a curl. I do spray it with my heat protectant and got2b glue one last time before I roll it up. And I just use a clip to hold it in position until I'm done my entire hair. So I'm just going to repeat this process throughout the entire unit. All right, y'all. So overall, I love working with this unit. I really don't have any cons. It was easy to work with, easy to install. I did have minimum tangling and shedding as well. One thing I love about this unit that I didn't have to go in and pluck it. All this you see, guys, is just what you're getting. I didn't pluck this unit at all. The part is popping. Everything is just giving me so much life. This hair holds a curl like no other, y'all. I really had to brush it out. Like, as you guys seen in the clips, it does look like it fell dramatically, but that's because I took my brush and kept brushing till you can't brush no more. But I would have rather kept the curls tight like this because I thought after seeing the clip back, it actually looked better tighter than looser. But let me know what you guys think. All information will be listed down in the description section below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.